Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 11th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, and today we are going to discuss second P, that is price. Now, what is the importance of price in price mix, marketing mix? Sorry, price is normally expressed in monetary terms. It is the worth of a product or service. In monetary terms, it is the monetary sacrifice which a buyer makes when he buys something. Price may be called by different names. For example, price for education and tuition fees, price for using road etc. is toll, price for jobs is salary, and for price for apartment is rent. Now, what is price mix? Price mix is important decision related to fixing a price of a commodities. These decisions can be related to price competition, price of competitors, decision related to demand, decision related to fixing cost, etc. Now, what is physical distribution? Place refers to the set of decisions that need to be taken in order to make the product available. If the products are not made available to the customer at the right place at the right time, then customer would not able to buy them. Place element is a process by which the goods are transferred from the place of production to the place of consumption. Now, there are various channels of distribution. First is zero channel of distribution, which is also known as direct channel. Then comes indirect channel, in which there is 1 level, 2 level, 3 level. Now, there are 4 major decisions which management has to take while providing physical distribution services: order processing, transportation, warehousing, inventory. So these are the 4 concepts. Now comes promotion. Promotion mix, it refers to all the decisions related to the promotion of sales of product and services. The important decisions of promotion mix are selecting advertising media, selecting promotional techniques, using publicity measures, and public relation. There are various tools and elements available for promotion, like advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and public relation. Advertising can be defined as the paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods, or services by an identified sponsor. Then comes sales promotion. Sales promotion refers to short-term use of incentives or other promotional activities that stimulates the customer to buy the product. Sales promotion techniques are very useful because they bring short and immediate effect on sale. Stock clearance is possible. Sales promotion technique induce customer as well as distributor channels. Sales promotion technique helps to win over the competitor. Then comes personal selling. Personal selling means selling goods personally. This involves face-to-face interaction between seller and buyer for the purpose of sale. The personal selling does not mean getting the prospect to desire what seller wants, but the concept of personal selling is also based on customer satisfaction. Now the last is public relation. Apart from 4 major elements of marketing mix, another important tool of marketing is maintaining public relations. In simple words, public relations means maintaining public relations with public. By maintaining public relations, companies create goodwill, image, reputations. Public relations evaluate public attitude, identify the policies and procedure of an organization with public interest to earn public understanding and acceptance. Public does not mean only customer, but it includes shareholders, suppliers, intermediaries, customers. The firm's success and achievements depends upon the support of these parties. For example, firms need active support of middlemen to survive in market. It must have good relations with existing shareholder who provide capital. So students, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.